Hey guys, I'm Russ with Mac Warehouse, and today I want to introduce you guys to the Air 2 Levitating speaker. I'm going to show you the components that come in the box and how it works, so let's get to it. What comes in the box is the instructions, a USB charging cable, auxiliary cord, power cable, supporting holder, the levitating speaker, which you don't want to put too close to the base because it might snap to it because it's magnetic, and the base itself. First, we take the power cable and plug it into the base. Next, we'll want to charge our levitating speaker because it will come with a minimal charge. So to charge it, we'll plug it in. And to know that it's charging, we'll see a little red light on top of our speaker. It'll turn off when our speaker is fully charged. Next, we turn on our levitating speaker by hitting the power button. To get the speaker to float over the base correctly, we'll take the speaker and place it inside the holder. Place it over the base until it floats, and then remove it so that it'll float correctly. Once we get it set with the holder, as you can see, it can spin, it can do all sorts of things. You can put it on your fridge. It has a magnet on it, so anywhere with metal is great, like in the garage if you're working. And as you can see with it on the base, we put our instructions under and it floats all by itself. Awesome. Once we get our levitating speaker set up, to pair it with our speaker and our phone, we turn on our speaker, turn on our phone, go to our settings app, find the Bluetooth, and connect with our levitating speaker. I wanted to go back and take a review and look at our product at an overall quality. I think it's really well built, it's strong, it's sturdy, it's heavy, so it's not something that's lightweight and it's gonna break easy. I think it's a great overall speaker, and the sound is actually really quite nice. It's set up to be really small, so you can use it at indoor parties and it would actually be loud enough to fill the whole room with music. The treble is really clear and crisp, the bass is noticeable, and it sounds really good overall. Now this speaker won the Best of Innovation Award at the 2015 CES, so it's actually a really good quality speaker. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and again, I'm Russ with Mac Warehouse, and we'll see you guys next time.